Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra Common Core Regents. We're doing this one question at a time. Here is number 5. Which value of x makes x minus 3 over 4 plus 2/3 equals 17 over 12 true? So there's different ways you could look at this. You can take each number and plug it in, but I'm going to show you the long way of how to solve this. So let's just cover these up for now. So let's rewrite the question. X minus 3 over 4 plus 2/3 equals 17 over 12. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is make everything the same denominator. So notice we have a 12 here and a 4 and a 3 here. So to get the denominators 12 on each little thing here, we want to multiply the entire numerator by 3 for this term. And for 2/3 we're going to want to multiply the numerator by 4. The numerator and denominator. So this will be 3 over 3, this will be 4 over 4. So distributing 3 to x minus 3, and then 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 times 4 is 8, over 3 times 4, that's a 4, is also 12. And this is equal to 17 over 12. So now that everything is the same denominator, we can now drop off this denominator and just solve it as normal. So we end up with 3 times x minus 3 plus 8 equals 17. So now we can just solve this as regular. We're going to distribute this. This gives us 3x minus 9 plus 8 equals 17. Negative 9 plus 8, so we get this minus 9 plus 8 is going to give us minus 1 equals 17. Add 1 to both sides. Okay, so we have 3x minus 1 equals 17, and just kind of ran through this quickly. We added 1 on both sides. Then we got 3x is equal to 18. Then divided out that 3 on both sides to get x alone, and then it ended up with x equals 6. So 6 is our answer, choice 2.
Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!